Hello friends, welcome back to the one new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video titles guys, how can we on TalkBack and how to use it. Friends, you want to on guys Infinix on iPhone TalkBack settings, so how can you on it? Today friends, I will show you, I will tell you guys. So first of all, go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, you will have to on guys your phone setting to on guys your phone TalkBack. After on phone setting, scroll it and friends click on guys your phone special function, tap here, and guys you can see guys phone accessibility guys, we will tap here guys. Friends, you can see guys your phone talkback setting guys, we will tap here. And guys you can use guys your talkback from here guys, you will have to give permission guys, tap here. After on talkback guys, how can you use guys, you can use guys with your two finger guys, scroll and double tap to continue setting guys, you will have to double tap, then guys you can back. So guys you can use guys talkback setting with double tap guys, you want to back home button, screen button guys, you can use it. So like that we can on talkback and we can use. So guys a person who is blind guys, they use talkback because guys they want to on camera. So guys they click on like camera like any icon. So guys they listen camera sound and guys they use double tap to on camera. So like that guys they use talkback. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to use talkback and on. Bye guys.